Hi, I am Hector Hernandez, and this is my final reflection on everything that I have learned in HORT 120, Computer Applications in Landscape Contracting. As HORT 120 started, we learned how to insert a background template, use 1-to-1 ratio, draw different shapes on AutoCAD. Then in Dynascape, added plant labels. Once it came to real-time landscaping, architect, and photo, I have learned to use 3D images and landscapes and also be able to edit the landscape photo. Lastly, made a traditional sketch into a digital sketch using SketchUp. As this course progressed from the beginning to the end, it had seemed to be a lot of information to grasp and retain, but as the course went by, it had got easier, even though some projects contained more information than others. Since these applications follow a lot of the same tool steps, it becomes pretty much natural to work in the computer softwares. My experience with intuitive adaptation couldn't have been any better, as I am a hands-on and visual learner. It helped me exceed in computer applications, as I see the small garden plan and master plan be digitally rendered through all of our software applications to give us a comparison of all different features included in each application. Skills learned. In the course of HORT 120, I have learned to create digital versions of the small and master garden plan. In AutoCAD, Dynascape, and Real-Time Landscape Architect, and Real-Time Landscape Photo, and SketchUp. The skills I have learned in this course will assist me in industry-related employment because I have now learned how to use many computer softwares that I will end up using to design future landscapes as a landscape contractor. Important aspects. The 3 most important aspects that I have learned in HORT 120 would be being able to edit images on real-time landscape and photo with copy and paste, sizing images to 1-to-1 for real-world dimensions, and lastly being able to render full 3D images of functional landscape diagrams. 2 aspects that this course has taught me that I will apply in the real world would be creating a portfolio to present to future later on employment jobs or for customers to show past or present designs, or being able to properly design and follow landscape designs as proposed for a customer. I wouldn't say I'm quite confused or having trouble with anything in these applications, but I would like to gain more knowledge on the tools we did not go over. Expectations. My expectations in the beginning of the semester were to walk away from this course knowing how to use computer software design applications and use these skills in real-life environments. As the semester continued on with our projects, my expectations were met as I learned to correctly use AutoCAD, Dynascape, Real-Time, and SketchUp. I have also started to use some of the software applications in real-life landscapes, such as my family properties. Favorite application. My favorite application in HORT 120 has to be Real-Time Landscaping Architect. The reason being is because this is the only software that we have used that shows us the most detail in the entire landscape, from trees, shrubs, pergolas, decks, fireplaces, patios, and much more. The reason Real-Time Landscape is my favorite application is because you are allowed to work in 3D and create anytime walkthroughs in real time. Real-Time also allows the user to present 3D models to their customers to show them how designs could possibly function in their properties and landscape. In conclusion, the course HORT 120 has taught me to understand and properly use 5 different computer applications that are used in the landscaping industry, which are AutoCAD, Dynascape, Real-Time Landscape Architect, Real-Time Photo, and SketchUp. By learning these computer applications, I have learned intuitive adaptation by repeatedly using the same 2 plans in each landscape software application, which visually shows the difference between each application. By learning these 5 applications, it will allow me to use these skills I have retained in a real-life work environment. Lastly, HORT 120 has been one of my best courses and experience I have had learned to use a variety of landscaping softwares that will help me rise to success. As that being said, I cannot wait to continue and add more design concepts I have made myself onto the ePortfolio.